Class 7, Subject English, Lecture number 30. Page number of the scientific grammar is 93. Topic of the lesson is voice, active voice and passive voice. Here, question is change active voice sentences into passive voice sentences. Here are sentences of present indefinite tense. In one column, active sentences are given, and in the other column, sentences of passive voice are given. First sentence is I like you. You are liked by me. You are liked by me. The grocer sells tea. Tea is uncountable, so we will use is with tea. Tea is sold by the grocer. Tea is sold by the grocer. Third sentence, they play football. Its passive voice is football is played by them. Football is played by them. Cats eat rats. Rats are eaten by cats. Rats are eaten by cats. Fifth sentence, cows eat grass. Grass is eaten by cows. Grass is eaten by cows. Sixth sentence, we eat rice. We eat rice. Rice is again uncountable. Rice is eaten by us. Rice is eaten by us. Passive sentences में या indefinite tense हो, continuous tense हो या perfect tense हो, सब में passive sentences में हमेशा third form of the verb use की जाती है. They buy mangoes. Mangoes are bought by them. She makes good cakes. Good cakes are made by her. The peon rings the bell. The bell is rung by the peon. Ring की third form है rung. The bell is rung by the peon. I catch a bird. Third form of catch is caught. A bird is caught by me. Dogs catch rats. Rats are caught by dogs. Rats are caught by dogs. Farmers grow wheat. Wheat again uncountable है, जिसके साथ क्या यूज होगा is. Wheat is grown by farmer. Next are the sentences of past indefinite. First sentence says the cat caught a mouse. Or a mouse was caught by the cat. A mouse was caught by the cat. The dog bit the boy. The boy was bitten by the dog. The boy was bitten by the dog. The tiger attacked the man. The man was attacked by the tiger. The man was attacked by the tiger. You wrote that letter. That letter was written by you. That letter was written by you. She took the book. The book was taken by her. The book was taken by her. Ali broke the window. The window was broken by Ali. We saw you in the garden. Its passive voice is you were seen by us in the garden. He saw a lion. Eighth sentence. A lion was seen by him. A lion was seen by. Our team won the match. The match was won by our team. I bought a book. A book was bought by me. A book was bought by me. The doctor dressed the wound. Wound किसको कहते हैं? जख्म को ड्रेसिंग करना, मरहम पट्टी करना. The doctor dressed the wound. The wound was dressed by the doctor. The fire burned the house. The house was burned by the fire. The house was burned by the. Here are sentences of future indefinite tense. In future indefinite, when we change an active sentence into passive voice, we use will be with third form or before third form of the verb. I shall read this book. Its passive voice will be this book will be read by me. This book will be read by me. We shall write this letter. This letter will be written by us. This letter will be written by us. Number 3, the boys will eat the cakes. Its passive voice is the cakes will be eaten by the boys. The cakes will be eaten by the boys. We shall finish the work. Number 4 sentence. We shall finish the work. The work will be finished by us. The work will be finished by us. Number 5 sentence. He will carry this load. This load will be carried by us, by him. This load will be carried by him. They will catch some birds. Some birds will be caught by them. Some birds will be caught by them. Next sentence is, he will bring the chair. He will bring the chair. Its passive voice is, the chair will be brought by him. The chair will be brought by him. Here are the sentences of continuous tense. All of these are of present continuous tense. So when we change a present continuous tense into passive voice, we use is being, are being. So before the third form of the verb, we use being. He is watching us. Us is plural. Therefore, we use are in case of passive voice sentence. We are, he is watching us, we are being watched by him. She is cooking the dinner. The dinner is being cooked by her. The boy was telling a lie. A lie was being told by the boy. We are eating mangoes. Mangoes are being eaten by us. I am making tea. Tea is uncountable. Tea is being made by me. Tea is being made by me. Sixth sentence. They are reading newspapers. They are reading newspaper. Newspapers are being read by them. He is washing the dishes. Next sentence. He is washing the dishes. The dishes are being washed by him. The dishes are being washed by him.